And then I left and I cried like 7 times.
Yeah. You just look fresher. Like I just feel the vibrancy.
Yeah.
You know, your mood's different.
It was really crazy. It was like unlocking some things that I don't think I've moved in like decades.
This is funny because yesterday I was on Instagram Live and I was saying that I had one time a patient come in. He looked like a biker, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tough guy.
Yeah.
Tatted up and everything. He's Spanish. I think he was from Venezuela. So
you're like describing my man, by the way.
Really? Really?
He's a big tatted Marine, like ex-Marine.
Just like that.
Who's Latin.
Just like, okay, perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So he came in, I gave him one neck adjustment. He cried for 10 minutes.
I know, I was afraid. I told him when I came, I was like, I think I might cry on the table. And when you were like, you might get emotional, I was like, I'm surprised I haven't.
Right.
And then I left and I cried like 7 times. About like every little thing that you can imagine.
Yeah.
It was wild.
It's amazing
because
it's
energy work.
It's energy work.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. And so I didn't know why he was crying. And there was nothing wrong with him. He was happy. I had a psychiatrist at GW, I work at GW, and I asked him, hey, have you seen something like that? He said that a lot of emotional trauma gets stored in your spine.
Yes.
Wow.
Absolutely.
From that day it blew my mind.
Totally. And I felt it. It was wild because I've never gotten aligned like that before. Yeah. And you were like, literally for 31 years I've been carrying around some shit that you got to, I guess. Yeah. It was wild.
Yeah. So anyways, that was really good though.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So let's do some adjustment on her. Alright, take a deep breath. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. That was good. Bend his knee. Okay, good. That one's stuck right there.
Okay,
we're gonna have to get
that's
that.
a bad one.
Yeah. 1 at the hip. 2, bend this knee. Boom, perfect.
Weird.
Good, yeah. And this knee's good here. Hip is locked right there. I'm gonna fix that. 1 more. Good. Face me on this side. Wow. This is like still a lot. Yeah, on your shoulder. Bend this knee here.
It's still a lot, you're saying?
So, anyway, I was gonna finish that thought. I asked the guy, I said, did you have any emotional traumas in the past? He said, I've been a political prisoner for Maduro's for 8 years or something like that. Something So he was in prison getting beaten up every day. Yeah. So that's why. And I was just like shocked.
That's why. I mean, you're helping so many people move things that they're not even aware
Right,
of.
they have no idea.
They have no idea.
Yeah.
It's wild.
Yeah, it's wild. Alright, let me see here, right there.
Oh!
There it is.
Oh my god.
That was massive. Shit. That was massive. Turn the other way. Good lord. Okay, turn this up. Turn this knee here. I'm gonna take this arm here, here. Good. Let's go on your back. Facing up. Let's see this. There's 1.
It's always been
There's 2. There's 3. Woo! Alright, you ready? Let's stay put. Alright. So let's get the toes a little bit. Let's get this. So this one's going really close. Alright, so I'm gonna get this adjustment here. 1. Oh, that goes 2. 2. 3. Big time. 4. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Let's do this one here. Oh, big pop there. 1 more. One more here. There. Ankle pop. Oh, that was massive.
Because that's the leg that's longer, right?
Yep,
so it's the one that's like crunching into itself, I guess. Damn.
Big time.
And now that you like showed me the diagrams, I know what's happening in my body when I'm like hearing things click and shift.
Yeah, that's crazy, right?
Yeah.
Come on up. Turn all the way to the right. Can you get the hands to where we're at it? Okay. So come over here with that close one. Alright, stuck right. This is the texting thumb, right? You're gonna grab it, lock it from here, pull away from it. Pull away a little bit. There it is.
It like tingled all on my finger.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Alright, come across here. Come here. 2, 3, 4. Done, you made it. How you feel?
Good.
What do you say to all the people that haven't come try it?
Come!
Run
It's
here.
amazing.
Let's get it.
Please run.
Appreciate you. Perfect, done.
Thank you.
You're awesome.